can you introduce yourself to the camera?
Hello, this is Eva Meyer-Cheek. I'm the Chief People Officer at Genesys. Today we're hosting our very first in-person leadership session for our executives at Genesys, and we're thrilled to be joined by Samantha Karlin. And she spent the entire morning talking to us about leadership, made us reflect about what are those things that can make us create that safe environment to be that effective leader. This audience is comprised of either leaders who have been leaders for a very, very long time to leaders who maybe not know how to be the best leaders. But one of the things that I've learned in my career is that every single leader, we never stop learning, and we need to keep thinking about how we can use all the tools that we're able to hear from Samantha on how to make us better. No, the facilitation, Samantha was incredibly engaging. She kept the teams and the leaders on their toes, and I know I had a number of leaders who I was not very sure how they would react. Everyone was talking, sharing experiences, bold ideas, crazy things. And I think this really set the tone for what we're going to do next, which is we have this strategy. Strategy looks great. The big thing is how we take it and take it into action. And I think creating this mindset of being bold, of being reflective on how we're going to go back, create action plans, and execute through our teams. Actually, I think it set the stage beautifully to what we're setting out to do.
Amazing. Anything else you'd like to share?
I really enjoyed this session. I have been in the leadership development space myself for many, many years, and I'm one of those who thinks there's always something to learn. And even as I was thinking about how I was going to send the teams over to do the pre-work, I was jotting down notes about all the things that I want to say differently as I was self-reflecting. So thank you very much, Samantha. I think I love the fact that we had this self-reflection, had the opportunity to think about what are those things that we do well and what are those things where we can maybe do things differently. And that's so important because we work so fast that we never have a chance to stop and reflect. I would recommend this for any company, both large and even small companies who are starting to think about growing and doing things differently. We are in an era where development is so fast. We think we know something and we're barely catching up. But also the leadership needs to continue to evolve. The leadership styles that I learned about starting my career are very different from the leadership styles that I hear my kids respond better to. So I think we need to constantly be questioning ourselves on how to do and lead our teams differently.